Hey guys, Rapid Start 12 here, back at it again with another lighting video. Today I'm going to show you this great value LED flicker flame bulb. So I got this at Walmart. I think it was a few months ago. They've since changed the packaging of this bulb, but anyway, here's the packaging. It's pretty basic. Flame bulb, 5 watts, non-dimmable, $10,000 life, and medium base. LED decorative. Lasts 9 years. I'm sure that's at 3 hours a day. Yep. Rated for indoor and outdoor enclosed light fixtures. Okay, here we have some actual interesting information. Orientation trigger. Flame direction automatically switches based on lamp orientation. 3 different modes as well. Flickering flame, general vintage lighting with an 1800K color temperature. I believe that's the same as a candle. And then continuous fade light fades from full power to dim repetitively. I can't talk today. Here's the rest of the information. Do not use with emergency exit luminaires, emergency exit lights, or dimmers. Okay, when would I ever put a bulb like this in an emergency exit fixture? Like, look at it. It won't even fit. Okay? How am I supposed to get this into an emergency exit light? That doesn't make sense. 120 volts, 5 watts, 80 lumens. So pretty dim, but it's a pretty cool effect. Made in China, unfortunately. And you can actually see who made it here. TCP. I have some products by them. They're pretty good. And of course it's UL listed as well. A lot of these cheapy ones, like the cheapy ones that come from Amazon, are not UL listed, so I wouldn't buy those. But these are available at Walmart. And these are pretty good, so I would recommend these. Well, anyway, here is what it looks like on the outside. It says, great value, caution for damp locations. Do not use with dimmers. Yeah, that's actually something that would be pretty cool. If they made a dimmable version of one of these that works almost like a neon flicker flame bulb, where if you dim it, the effect gets slower. That would be pretty cool. UL listed LED lamp. Very nice. We actually have a real base on this, unlike the PL adapter I showed a couple days ago. Too bad it's not brass, but it's actually a real base, so that's nice. And then it's just a typical bullet-shaped LED flicker flame bulb. Now, I also have a GE version of this that's actually like a candle-shaped bulb that maybe I'll show sometime, but this is just the typical shape. Well, anyway, yeah. Now, we will go ahead and grab our socket here and screw this bulb in. Alright, I will be right back after I turn off the lights. Okay, it is pretty dark in here, so let's go ahead and turn this bulb on in 3, 2, 1. Now, as you can see, it took a second to turn on. I guess that's the electronics in the bulb getting started. I don't know, but that's very strange. Now, as you can see, it is producing a very nice flickering effect right now. I'll go ahead and show you. Unfortunately, you can see the individual LEDs on this bulb. That is a little bit disappointing. I would have preferred it if they had scooted the LEDs back a little bit so you can't actually make them out. But if this is behind a like a porch light, you're not really gonna see this anyway. If it's behind a diffuser. Now, if I turn this around, you'll notice it will switch direction. So now, I don't know if you can see it, the flame is actually coming from the bottom instead of the top. I think there's just a little tilt switch in there. In fact, you can hear it. Don't know if you can hear that, but you can hear it rattling in there. So that's how it knows which direction to do the flame in. Well, anyway, I'll go ahead and show you what this looks like, illuminating this area up here on this mode. Very dim, but very nice, and the CRI isn't horrible either. I could deal with this in an outdoor fixture. This is actually a pretty nice effect. Well, anyway, I'll go ahead and show you the other modes that this has. You have to flip the switch kind of quickly, actually, for it to switch. And sometimes you have to do it multiple times, but I'll go ahead and show you. Oh, I didn't do it fast enough. And there you have just your solid light mode. It's actually not bad brightness. It's a little bit brighter than it was on flicker flame mode. I'll go ahead and show you illuminating this area up here. I actually take my statement back about the CRI. It's pretty bad, but you can see the nice orange light that this puts off, just like a real flame, or even like a high pressure sodium type light, though I do believe high pressure sodium is a little bit cooler than this, but whatever. Looks like high pressure sodium. And you can, oh, that is a lot of flicker. But you can make out the LEDs very well on this mode as well. But now we'll switch it to its last mode, which is the breathing mode. Alright, it switched to flame mode. There's the breathing mode. Okay, so you can see it kind of breathing like that. And I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like up here. Very interesting effect. Yeah. Oh goodness, that is a lot of flicker. That flicker is horrible. Yeah. Anyway, we'll go ahead and turn this bulb off and unscrew it. And now, I will be right back after I turn the lights back on. Alright, I am back. The lights have been turned back on. And you know what that means. It's the end of this video. Well, that was a look at my great value LED flicker flame bullet shaped bulb. pretty interesting bulb. This is one of the better flicker flame LED bulbs, I'd say. It's got a lot of different modes, and I'd say this one is probably higher quality than the really cheap ones off Amazon. I've never actually had any of those, but this one is very high quality, and it's made from a well-known company. Well, anyway, it's the end of the video now, so there's that. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Until next time.